Hi, my name is Ken Hunt. I'm with Medtronic. I'm an equipment support supervisor, and I just received my CRL Black Belt from Reliability Web. What I learned from my Black Belt journey was just, it's hard to put it into words, but a lot. So I think one of the best things that I learned from doing this journey was trusting people and working with people, learning to work with them and what makes them tick, kind of working with them to get the most out of them. And then I've heard it said around here a lot, but you want to listen to the people on the floor that are fighting those battles. So, what are their struggles? What are they doing? What can you do to make their lives and their journey easier too? That's going to lead you to success. So for me, being a CRL Black Belt for Medtronic, I think it puts a type of knowledge into a management position so that I can not only be a management position, but also be a leader and turn other people that are in my group and part of my team into leaders so they could take that and spread that across the entire organization. So what being a CRL Black Belt means to me personally is that what I've been working towards in my career goals, it's a good path. I went and got my MBA all while I was working at Medtronic. So doing those things and finally getting this type of achievement after being a supervisor for a few years, I think it just lets me know that what I'm focused on is the right things. And going forward, it gives me the confidence and ability to talk in front of the teams and provide guidance so that not only I'm doing those projects, but they're doing them with me, working, and they can work towards their own goals. Since I was notified I was going to be receiving my Black Belt, I was really looking forward to this trip. I got to come down here with a few members of my team and just having the opportunity to get to meet new people and learn how they do things and then kind of spread that knowledge and hopefully find some things for our next journeys going forward. It's time to really take it all in and celebrate a little bit and have some fun and then start to help some of the other members on the team so they can go through the same thing.